Kwan Kong Kyuck. Palm strike. Good. For our palm strike, we are going to bring our hand flat like this, like we're doing like we would be Iron Man or Elsa. Good. We want our fingers tight together. We're hitting this part of our hand, our palm heel. Now, you want to curl those fingers down and really push that palm heel out. Make sure that you're not hitting this part of your hand. Again, focusing on the bottom. Good. Kind of looks like a cat paw. Good. And we act like a punch strike, so it's the same sort of action as a punch, except for the backhand closes the chamber. Ready? Pull and strike. Pull and strike. Pull and strike. Pull and strike. A little bit more power now. Pull and strike. Hey! Pull and strike. Hey! Good. Let's add a stance. So just like in our punch, we want our feet and our strike to end at the same time. The palm strike is targeted to the nose or to the solar plexus. Let's aim for the nose. Ready? Hey! 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 And let's do that other side. Hey! 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 All right. That is our palm heel strike, or Jang Kwan Kong Kyuck in Korean. Practice what you learned. Get rough. Hello, everybody. Let's look at what our palm strike looks like on a target. Good. So again, my palm strike, I'm curling my fingers really tight. I'm hitting this part of my hand. Good. So let's practice that. Again, really good to the nose, really good to the solar plexus. Let's look at both. Hey! Hey! Or to the solar plexus. Hey! Hey! And that's what our palm strike looks like on our target.